On September 12th, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration announced campaign number 19V653000. It's a voluntary safety recall involving the seat belt guide loop mount for the 2020 Toyota Supra, which may have been welded improperly. Only 7 vehicles are affected, and 4 are already taken care of. The interesting part is the recall came from BMW, not Toyota. Here is a copy of the recall. It states, in the event of a crash, the mount could become damaged and the seat belt may not properly restrain the driver, increasing the risk of injury. It shows the campaign number and manufacturer is stated as BMW of North America LLC. Components, seat belts, potential number of units affected, 7. Summary: BMW of North America LLC is recalling certain 2020 Toyota Supra vehicles. The driver's seat belt guide loop mount may have been improperly welded, and it shows the remedy. Owners have been notified, and Toyota dealers will inspect the seat belt guide loop mount. If the mount is defective, the vehicle will be replaced free of charge. I think that part is kind of confusing. It probably means the part will be replaced, not the vehicle. And it continues, the recall began September 13th, 2019. Owners may contact the Toyota Customer Experience with the phone number and how to contact them showing on the notice. It continues, and when you click on the drop-down menu, it shows Make Toyota Model Supra Year 2020. You can also click on the 3 associated documents and download the PDF documents. Again, the reason we found this recall interesting that on the notice, it states manufacturer is BMW of North America. And we begin to wonder how much involvement did Toyota have in building this vehicle.